Nice and slow, back and forth. Once again, if you feel a knot, tight spot, something scream at you, sit on that spot. Breathe in through the nose, fill up the stomach, and exhale. Every time we exhale, you should feel yourself sink into that foam roller just a little bit more. Let's go ahead and switch sides. So if you feel that the hamstring was a lot worse than your calf, that's a high priority area for you before your workout. If it's nothing, then let's keep looking for some more spots.
So there should be some spot that...
Maybe, maybe not. Rarely is there times where I see someone has no spots that they need work with, you know. But a lot of you'll see it to where maybe you just have a little bit of something in your quad or the side of your leg, or maybe like a little spot right here, but not. And some people are just tore up everywhere and everything hurts. And then they cuss me for being on the foam at all. All right, let's go to the side of the leg. This might be one of those times. So we're gonna get like we're in a side plank position, or I should say elbow down on the ground. You can stack the legs, that's gonna be the harder version. And if you wanted to relieve a little pressure, you can take that top leg and put that foot on the ground. And then we're just gonna roll nice and slow from the hip down to the knee. If that's easy, let's stack them up, nice and slow. Now your goal is to keep a straight face the entire time you're foam rolling.
Without screaming.
Yep. Also, that brings up a good point too. If you're getting tense and everything, the muscle that you're rolling is tight, you're not really doing anything to it. You gotta breathe and let that muscle relax and try to foam roll a relaxed muscle. Nice and slow, stopping on any hot spots.
Get more
Now let's go
with your body and
with the quads. So, I would start with 2 legs on the foam, and if it doesn't hurt, then stack the legs. So, 2 legs will look like this. You're just going to drag yourself back and forth. Or you can stack 1 leg like this and slide down nice and slow. If you a lot of runners, cyclists, things like this should probably light you up. Nice and slow. Most people will find some sort of spot in their quad.
And if it doesn't light you up, should you try to stack them? Like right now, I'm okay when I stack it.
Stack them. So it should be
Ooh.